Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Wagi ang Meralco Bolts kontra sa NLEX Road Warriors 97-94. Top performer si Chris Banchero sa kanyang 15 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. Nag-ambag naman ng 38 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists si Soliman Bremo. Newsam 14 points, 2 assists. Kento 12 points, 4 assists. Almasan 6 points, 8 rebounds. Para naman sa NLEX Road Warriors, Don Trulliano 24 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists. Stockley Chaffee 24 points, 8 rebounds. Sean Anthony 11 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists. Herndon 9.7 rebounds. Semirad 8 points, 2 steals. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Barangay Ginebra kontra sa Tira Firma Jeep 110-99. Top performer naman si Christian Standhardinger sa likod ng kanyang 24 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. Tony Bishop 26 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. Japit Aguilar 19.7 rebounds. Malonzo 14.6 rebounds, 4 assists. Ahan Misi 10.6 rebounds, 4 assists. L.A. Tenorio 6 points, 3 assists. Nards Pinto 6 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Para naman sa Tira Firma Jeep, Gomez Diliano 22 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, 3 steals. Chongson 13 points, 4 assists. Go 10 points, 3 rebounds. Holt 7.6 rebounds, 4 assists. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 6, 2023 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game, magtutos ang Converge Fiber Sixers kontra sa Northport Batang Pier alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game naman, maglalaban ang Blackwater Bossing at Magnolia Hotshots alas 8 ng gabi. December 8, 2023 nagaganapin din sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang NLEX Road Warriors at Rain or Shine alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang San Miguel Bearmen at Northport Batang Pier alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ngayon. Magnolia Hotshots 5 wins 0 loss. Phoenix Fuel Masters 5 wins 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra 4 wins 1 loss. Meralco Bolts 4 wins 1 loss. San Miguel Bearmen 3 wins 1 loss. Northport Batang Pier 3 wins 2 losses. Tenti Trupang Giga 2 wins 3 losses. Tira Firma Jeep 2 wins 4 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 2 wins 4 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 1 win 5 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win 5 losses. Converge Fiber Sixers 0 win 5 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.